Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Part A. The Lewis structure of NH2OH consists of nitrogen single bonded to 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, with oxygen bonded to a
pair, and oxygen has 2. Part B. The net ionic equation is NH2OH aqueous plus H plus aqueous goes to NH3OH plus aqueous equals 0.01784 liters. Part D, a burette is chosen for its high delivery precision, plus or minus 0.05 milliliters. Part E
equals POH equals 14.00 minus 6.03 equals 7.97.
Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.